Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Andy and today we are doing French tips and double French. So today I will show you how I draw my French tips and my double French, and this video is in real time so you guys can see how long I take to draw my French tips as a beginner. So as you can see in the video, I prefer to take my time when drawing French tips. This helps me to make less mistakes. I'm not saying I'm not making mistakes, but they are much less when I take my time as opposed to rushing and then making a lot of mistakes. So what I always do is always compare the tip that I've just done and with the previous one to make sure that all these French tips or the smile lines looks similar. They all look similar.
Could go back and be 12 again and tell her you don't need a man, just wait till you're older. Little her, she couldn't see when she said you were it for me, but who could blame you if that's what you told her? So I kept waiting while you were fading. Wish I knew what I was creating. Don't call me crazy when you talk about me. I never call you crazy, and I'm not crazy. My time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Just say that you'll stay holding me close, swear it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Oh. Tell me everything. You know I'm listening. Hours pass us by. Yeah, we could talk all night. Taking my time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay holding me close, swear it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Baby.
Now drawing the double French line is much easier because you just draw it under the smile line, and you just follow the shape of your smile line, and you are done. And if you make any mistakes, you have to clean them and make sure your line is clean. But because I take my time, I hardly make any mistakes when drawing these lines. So another tip is to make sure that you cure your French tips before drawing the double French line. This helps when you make mistakes. You can just wipe only the line without affecting the French tips, so it makes the job easier for you. So bestie, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So basically this is a nail art video, so I'm only showing you the nail art, and I went ahead off camera and applied top coat and cuticle oil, and this is how the nails turned out. Tell me what you think of this set in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next video. Bye.